Hi everybody, and welcome to my first video on YouTube. I'm starting a channel called Finding My Tech Niche, and this is going to be about learning how to make YouTube videos while I figure out what my tech niche is going to be. I've been thinking about ultimately what I'd like to do is create videos that leverage technology to help seniors and those with handicaps live a more simple and full life. So that's kind of where I want to get to, but before I can do that, I need to learn how to do all of the steps included in creating YouTube videos. So that's where I'm going to start. What pushed me over the edge, there's a YouTube creator by the name of Rob the Maritimer, who has started a Put Yourself Out There challenge. And that's kind of what it took to push me over the edge and get me started. So what can you expect to see coming up in videos on my channel? Well, pretty much everything involved in creating a YouTube video. So all the way from, filming the video, setting up your camera or your phone with the correct settings, learning how to upload those to your computer, do some simple editing, and then from that point getting them up to the YouTube platform. What are all the different pieces of information that you need to provide? How do you create thumbnails? How do you set up your channel, right? With a banner. I know I struggled with that. I'm still struggling with that. I'm not happy with what I have, but that's what's kind of the purpose of this channel, is to learn that stuff together. So I'm hoping that it's not just people learning from me. I'm hoping that, through interaction in the comments, I can actually learn quite a bit from them as well. So if this sounds interesting to you, do yourself a favor, or do me a favor actually. Go ahead and subscribe to this channel, and you'll be notified when new videos come out. So thanks a lot for checking this out. I'll be doing another video next week and shooting for one a week. So thanks a lot for coming. We'll see you on the next video.